Hi, I'm Taco.
And I'm
Hi. Sorry. Sorry.
Is it recording?
Oh, we're starting?
Yeah.
Wait, aw.
Wait.
I need a moment right now.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Aw. Why? Stop it.
Stupid piggy bank.
Stupid piggy bank. Take one.
There you go.
here. Fix it.
This goes out to my piggy bank. This with me.
Huh?
So Jasmine has to come sing this with me.
Okay,
Hold me.
This goes out to my piggy bank. You only wanna keep my money. You're way too stupid, piggy. Piggy stupid. That's why I have to break stupid. God damn it. Of losing my change, nickels, pennies, and dimes, getting lost all the time. I need a piggy bank. Piggy bank. It was back when I was 9 and I couldn't count my money. Oh. Alright. Where? Right now. Oh shit. Right now.
Okay.
It's still recording.
Okay, pause it. Why don't we just come up with a part so we don't have to fast
Is
forward?
it really still recording?
Yes. It's not gonna be that hard.
It's still recording.
Oh shit. We'll delete it. Be honest! Pink, you only want to take my money. Stupid pig. Pig, you stupid. Why? It was back when I was 9 and I had to... You have to reach that fuck again. It's my part! Okay, I don't know. It was back when I was 9. Yeah, that's your part.
Okay.
Take freaking 6. Ugh. Right.
6. Wait, is that siete? No?
6. Oh.
8, 10.
Okay.
Shut up, Eric. God.
15.
Hey. Cállate. I would change. This goes out to my pig. I'm already laughing. You suck. Take 7. Now it's 7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. To keep my money in. And I was